Xbox One X reported to be no video. We will test. And find out. Give it a few seconds, just in case. Captured in the top left. Okay, I am fairly convinced we're not getting video. Alright, we will take it apart. The first thing we're going to do is test the drive, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we've pulled the drive. We're going to run a few tests on it, or at least a test on it. Make sure. This time we have the right drive selected. Run a short self-test. This is a Hard Disk Sentinel Pro, my preferred testing program. The reason why I'm testing the drive is because no video can often be caused by a bad drive. Okay. Let it finish up for real. Okay, everything looks good. Doesn't seem to be a drive problem. So we will pull the board and test from there. Okay, we're back, ready to test. Make sure I'm connected. I am now. First thing we'll test is just to make sure all these connections are sound. These guys typically do the HDMI ports, so I suspect they've gone over it. It never hurts to double check. Oh, let's find ourselves a ground. Make sure there's no shorts to ground on these lines. The middle ones are ground, so I'm not testing those. Let's make sure we have continuity through. Okay, everything that's good. Now I want to check continuity through from the pins. We're just trying to make sure we don't have a HDMI problem of any sort. Okay, everything looks good there. We will check around the retimer, but like I said before, it rarely displays itself with shorts. It's not like a switch. Yeah, everything looks good there. There we go. All right. We're going to go after the retimer because I'm pretty well convinced that that is the problem. Sorry I didn't have you all on screen there, but I think you've seen me go through this before. So next is the retimer. While I'm doing that, I will throw these up. I need to set up my equipment anyway. Fume extractor, soldering iron, hot air station. Change my glove too. Okay, I need my tweezers. Nope, we don't want a pitch skim seam, we want a microscope. And do yet another retimer job. I am not complaining at all. Okay, let's do one final inspection on the screen. Probably give it a go over with my air compressor. Have the lights in the way anyway. Put it over here so you can see. It's good. It's good. Good. And good. All right. I'm going to clean out the board off screen and then put it back in the housing and enough to test, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're ready enough for a test, I believe. Let's plug in our power. And find our power button. And see how we did. We're watching the capture up in the top left. Okay, that looks like video to me. Switch over to capture. And give it time to load. Okay, we're already in 1080p, so everything looks pretty good. I think that's really all I have for you. If you have any questions about the equipment I use, check the description below. Please like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. And I'll see you next time.